Hey my loves, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing kind of like a night routine, but also days who are bonding with my bird. So yeah, that's not my bird, that's actually hers.
No, you're not allowed to kiss him.
What do you mean, please?
No.
Oh, well, whatever. We're gonna go. Well,
He
that's
just
who.
me cago.
He just pooped on her. See, that's for not letting me kiss him. But here's my bird. Where are you? Oh, you're right there. Can you see him? I don't know. Hold on. I have no pants on right now, and that's kind of weird to say, but it's true. So we are just going. I mean, I have a shirt on, but we're gonna put my shirt on to go outside because we're gonna go for a walk. Kind of like my night routine thing. Like it's over here. It's like 8 something. But it's my night routine to always go on a walk. It's actually day 2 of walking, but also day 2 of bonding and taming my bird. So this is what I'm gonna go down to walk. Is this Hello Kitty shirt? I know, just something plain, and then these shorts. I don't know. I just grabbed this shirt and wore it. It's okay. Okay, so now we're gonna grab my bird and we're gonna give him some kisses. We're gonna give you some kisses, bye. Hold on, guys. For some reason, it's like really, really dark. Okay, so there we go. What are you doing? What are you doing, little combo? Yeah. Oh. Sube. Up. Oh. Oh, okay. It's okay. It's okay, little buddy. Stop. Step up. Good boy now. What are you doing? Step up. There you go. Mwah. Mwah. There you go. Mwah. Mwah. Now, what are you doing? Mwah. There you go. He's on my finger, guys. Yes, sir. Guys, he does freak out a little bit because, as I said, we've had him for like a year now, but still, I haven't been like interacting with him. Oh yeah, these are our other birds that I have. Sorry. Then we have. Oh, we have 3 over here. Hello, babies. And then we have 2 more. These are the newer ones, if you can see. This yellow one right here is the newest. That one up there is also new. That one over there is actually pretty old. We have him for about a year. We just got them a month ago. His name is Bobo. We had him over like 2 years. His name's Caleb. We've had her also for 2 years. Her name is Sophie. Hey. That's Kiwi 0.2. And then that's Nyla 0.1. Hey. Stop it. And then this is my baby. If you see that there's not much toys in there, we're getting him some new toys. But yeah, this is my baby. This is my baby. Is that right? But yeah, guys, I'll come for part 2.